Hello friends, today's topic bloodbath in American markets. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Last night, US markets fell massively. Nasdaq index was down 4%, S&P 500 index was down 2.7%. It was the biggest single day percentage fall since September 2022. This has caused fear in the minds of investors in other Asian markets, including Indian markets. The reasons for the weakness in US markets are: number one, fear of US recession. Due to the continuous changing of tariff policy by President Trump, economists are fearing that will have negative impact on the US economy. Other countries could retaliate with import tariff if US imposes higher tariffs. Such constant changes could slow down growth in US. 2. Below expectation quarterly results. Due to the high valuation of technology stocks, slightly below expected results is expected to push stock prices lower. Tesla stock crashed by 15.4% yesterday due to the lower demand for its cars. It was stock's largest single-day drop since September 2020. Number 3. Volatility Index. The US Volatility Index, which is also called the Fear Index, has risen to its highest close since August 2024. This shows the pessimism in the US markets. On the Nasdaq, 796 stocks rose and 3,641 fell yesterday. This translates to 18% of the stocks advancing to 82% declining. Nasdaq index is already in a correction phase since it has already fallen by 13% from its recent high. Due to weaknesses in US markets, Asian markets fell around 1 to 1.5%. Indian markets also fell by 0.6% today morning before fully recovering and closed marginally higher. The fall in Indian markets has been gradual for the last 6 months. So, though the Nifty 50 index is down only 14% from its recent high, it feels like it has fallen much more since it has been down since 6 months. It also feels that it's bigger fall since many individual stocks are down between 20 to 30%. As expected, the mid-cap and small-cap indices are down 20 to 23% respectively from the recent high. Currently, whether it is positive or negative news, markets are reacting negatively due to the weak sentiment. All eyes will be on the January-March 2025 quarterly results, which will start getting announced by the second week of April. If the results are better than expectations, there could be a chance of a rally. Otherwise, further weakness is possible. If you are investing in good stocks and mutual funds, it is normal to be disappointed. It does not mean that you give up on a long-term investing. If your vision is long-term for at least 8 to 10 years, then continue SIP, SEP and lump sum whenever possible. You will make a good returns compared to alternative investments. Nobody knows how much more markets will fall. However, if it falls some more, it is very beneficial for long-term investors. New demat account opening have reached 21 month low. This shows how investors think. Most people invest only when markets are rallying and stop when markets are weak. In fact, they should be more excited when markets are falling since prices are lower. I hope that you are a long-term investor with a strong mindset, patience and discipline to invest and hold for many years. You realize that you took the right decision of investing when in future you have a large corpus, you are financially independent. At the end of the video, here is a question. Since September 2024, have you been investing in stocks and mutual funds regularly or not? A. Regularly. B. Stopped or missed some installments. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.